Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about a radar chart. So let's get start the video. Firstly of all, I could like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, like and leave a comment. Your supports are a lot to me and it encouraging me to create a more content. Open the Visual Studio and create a three file. The first file name is the index.html and second file name is the style.css and the third file name is the main.js. Open the index.html file and press the exclamation mark and then press the enter. This will be generating the basic HTML structure and go to the heading tag and we are linking the CSS file. The CSS file name is the style.css and the another file to be linking the JavaScript and the file name is the main.js. Browser and search now chart.js region. Once you find it and click it, open it and then click the code icon to see the code snippet and copy the code. Now switch the Visual Studio and paste the copy code. Take a div element with the class equal to a chart and inside it add a canvas element with an equal id my chart. Close the canvas element and also close the div. Go to the title and change the document place to write a radar chart. Open the style.css file and write a code. We are targeting the body element. So let's go on the body. Curly bracket, display, flex, element item center, justify content center, height 100 vh and dot chart, curly bracket, position, relevant, width 50% and height 50%. Style will be helping the center the chart on the page. Open the file name is the main.js and write a code that beginning by the creating a const ctx equals to a document get element my chart get a content 2d const data curly bracket label eating drinking sleeping designing coding cycling and running dataset array label my first dataset data 65, 59, 90, 81 and 56 and 55 and 40 field true. Background color you can choose any back color. Border color you can choose any border color. Point background color you can choose any point background color and point border color white and point hover background color white and point hover back border color. You can choose any background color. Curly bracket labels my second data set. Data 28, 48, 28, 48, 40, 19, 26, 27, 100 and field true. Background color you can choose any color. Border color you can choose any color and point background color you can choose any color and point border color white. Point hover background color white and point hover body color you can choose any color. Const configuration is equal to curly bracket type value radar data value data option curly bracket element curly bracket line curly bracket, border width 3. Create a new chart with the statement const my chart equals to new chart ctx and configuration. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon and more content. Stay tuned for the future video, and until the next time, take care and happy watching.